In less than 5 minutes, with few simple techniques on Photoshop, you can collage a dreamy atmosphere for your architectural model. And here's how I'm doing this. First of all, I need a background. This is a background I've chosen, and it's also an AI render. I'm adjusting its scale and its perspective. And then I want to change the sky. I'm clicking on select and then a sky. Then I'm creating a duplicate of my sky. And then I'm bringing my desired sky into this picture. I'm creating a clipping mask on my sky layer. And then I'm bringing my architectural model into this picture. I'm adding a layer mask to the model. I'm using a grass brush. I'm removing the sharp edges of the villa in the form of the grass. After that, I want to add some trees behind my villa. And of course, I'm picking these pink trees to match the pink atmosphere. The more pink, the better, I guess. And at the end, I want to add a photo filter. And I'm choosing the ice blue for the filter. And that's it. It kinda gives a Valentine vibe. So if you had an architectural judgment on February 14th, use this. If you like this video, please hit subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I will be back with more videos like this. Have a great day.